Bonjour et joyeux Noël, which means hello and Merry Christmas. Christmas is coming. Today we are going to learn more vocabulary that we can use to talk about what we are or are not wearing. We've been talking about clothing. We're going to add some clothes. And we're also going to add some adjectives so that we can describe what we're wearing. So I'd like you to get out your pen and pencil and your notebook. Have them ready to take some notes. If you don't have them, press pause and you'll get what you need, and then come back and press play and we'll start. All right, our first word is une chemise, which is a blouse or a nice shirt. Now remember, I'm going to ask you to repeat it. Then you can press pause and write it down if you need more time. Une chemise. Say it after me. Une chemise. Une chemise. A short skirt. Une jupe is a skirt. Une jupe courte is a short skirt. Say it after me. Une jupe courte. Une jupe courte. Une jupe longue is obvious, right? A long skirt. Say it after me. Une jupe longue. Une jupe longue. A dress is une robe. Répétez, une robe. Une robe. A pair of pants, un pantalon. Un pantalon. Not a pair of jeans, but just a nice pair of pants. Any kind of pants that aren't jeans. A suit for a guy. Répétez, une costume. Une costume. A tie is une cravate. Répétez, une cravate. Une cravate. Nice shoes. Des chaussures are shoes. Des chaussures élégantes. Nice shoes. Say it after me. First one part and then the other. First, des chaussures élégantes. Des chaussures élégantes. Excellent. We're now going to look at some adjectives to describe clothes. Okay, our first one is élégant or élégante, which means elegant or fancy. I don't have pictures for these, just the words. So press pause after you've said it. Élégant. Élégant. Super. Chic is stylish. Répétez, chic. Chic. Remember, press pause to write it down. Our next one is à la mode, which means fashionable or in style. Répétez, à la mode. À la mode. Okay, out of style is démodé. Répétez, démodé. Démodé. You can usually use that word to describe me, right? Madame est démodée, right? I'm not stylish. Intéressant. Interesting. We already heard that word, but let's practice it again. Intéressant. Intéressant. Modern or up to date, so it's stylish and modern, is moderne. Moderne. We know these two words right already, right? We know beau is handsome and belle is beautiful. When we're describing clothes, we can also use these words, right? Un beau pantalon, a nice, very nice looking pair of pants. Une belle chemise, a beautiful, nice shirt. Répétez, beau, belle. Okay, the next one is ugly, and I think I've mentioned this word to you before, but let's add it anyway. Say it after me. It's moche. Moche. Right? You can use that for a piece of clothing, for a person, for a book, for a painting, right? C'est moche. It's moche. Il est moche. Warm. We know the word chaud means hot, but it also can mean warm, like if you're talking about a warm coat. Un manteau chaud. A warm coat. Hot coat, meaning like it's warm when you're in it. All right. Now, tell me what these things are in French. What is a pair of pants? Look at your notes and see if you can tell me. You can press pause if you need to. Right, un pantalon. How about a pair of jeans? Un jean. A pair of socks? Des chaussures. Sorry, des chaussettes. That was my mistake. Des chaussettes. A sweatshirt or a hoodie. Un sweat. Ah, sneakers. Des baskets. A jacket. Un blouson. Now I'm not going to tell you what it is. Just look at it and tell me what it is in French. Une casquette. Un t-shirt. Un short. Un maillot. That is un maillot moche, right? That is an ugly swimsuit. Un impair. Des sandales. Un t-shirt. Un manteau. Une écharpe. Des gants. Un chapeau. And $1 if you can tell me who that is. Un pull. Des bottes. Une robe. Un pull. Un pantalon. 3 possibilities here, right? Une chemise, un pantalon, des chaussures. Une chemise. Une jupe courte. Une jupe longue. Une robe. If you wanted to use an adjective, you could say a color. Une robe rouge. Une costume. That is also une costume. I don't know why I have 2 in a row. Ah, des chaussures. What kind of adjectives can we put after that? We can put a color, right? What if we wanted to say purple shoes? Des chaussures violettes. How about yellow shoes? Des chaussures jaunes. Red shoes? Des chaussures rouges. And black shoes? Des chaussures noires. For adjectives, we can use élégant, right? Des chaussures élégantes. Une robe. What might you say about it? You could say it's purple. How would I say it's purple? Say a purple dress. Une robe violette. You could also say a long dress, une robe longue, or an elegant dress, une robe élégante. So you'll see there are many different adjectives you can use just for one piece of clothing. How do we say stylish or in style in French? 2 possible ways. The first one is chic, and the second one would be à la mode. Right, à la mode. What is to wear? The verb to wear. Porter. Porter. Notice we're just worrying about how to say it. We're not worrying about spelling it right now. How about I am wearing a hat? You fill in the blank. Un chapeau. Je porte un chapeau. Elle porte une robe. Il porte un t-shirt. Now we're going to use to put on, which is mettre, right? So it's going to be je mets une robe bleue. Je mets une robe bleue. Elle, exactly the same, right? Elle met une robe bleue. He puts on a tie. Excellent, met une cravate. To look for, we have not learned yet. So let's try this one. How about To buy. How would I say I buy a skirt? J'achète une jupe. Excellent. He buys a book. Il. The picture looks funny, doesn't it? Il achète un livre. How about she buys a cat? Elle achète un chat. Defined we haven't done. How about we're just going to skip these next ones. Okay, to buy, acheter, so more to buy. How about I buy a shirt? J'achète une chemise. Elle, she buys a house. Elle achète une maison. He buys a DVD. Il achète un DVD. Excellent! We are now going to go off and do our practice, our independent practice, which is, as you know, in classroom. So this is where I say au revoir, à bientôt, and of course, joyeux Noël!